Saipullah and you are watching Civil Engineer at Side YouTube channel. First of all, Eid Mubarak to everyone. So, friends, today we will discuss the job market in Neom, salaries of engineers in Neom, like from different departments like KVQC, site engineers, safety engineers. So, first of all, we will start the job market. How is the job market for engineers? And how many years of experience you should have to come to work in Neom City? First, we will discuss about the experience, that how many years of experience you should have. Let me on the chat. And any other question if you have in your mind, so you can ask me here, I will answer the questions. The experience for quality department like QAQC inspector, QAQC supervisor and QAQC managers. There are no position for QAQC engineer. QAQC engineers are inspectors, senior QAQC engineers are QAQC supervisor and then QAQC manager. Wa alaikum salam alam noor. For QAQC inspector, minimum requirement or minimum experience as per Schedule Q. Schedule Q is the document from Neom where they mention the requirements for the contractor different things like engineers, inspectors, and the quality work and documentation, contractual documentation like that. So they also mention about the QAQC inspector. For QAQC inspector, minimum experience is 5 years. You should have a 5 years experience to work in Neom as a QAQC inspector. For QAQC supervisor or senior QAQC engineer, minimum experience is 12 years. If you have a 12 years, so you can work in Neom as a QAQC supervisor. I sir 11-year experience as a civil engineer. How to find job? Tell me, sir. Sonu Kumar, are you in Saudi Arabia or are you in India? Can you tell me about that? So then I will give you the advice. Said Purhan Said, sir, they have any option for structural design? Yes, a lot of vacancies are there for the structural design engineers, but it depends on your experience. Nagesh, hi sir, hello, how are you? So for KYQC supervisor, your experience should be 12 years. And for KYQC manager, minimum experience is from 14 to 15, 16 like that. But if these experience are for the graduated engineer, if you are a diploma holder, so for KYQC inspector, minimum experience is 12 year. KYQC supervisor, manager cannot go for the job as a KYQC manager. I am in Oman, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam, Fayaz Ali Shah. So, Sonu Kumar, if you are in Oman and you want to work in Saudi Arabia, so you have to come here to Saudi Arabia. After that, you will find a job. How you will come here? Two options. Come here on company agreement visa or on the Azad visa. But you have enough experience, so Azad visa option will be better for you. Sikandar Rahmani, hi sir, how are you? How many package for civil inspector at Neom? I got a call for interview, want to know. It depends on the company, but I will discuss this in the this live chat. But here I will tell you, you can ask them from 8 to 12,000 as per your experience. If your experience is 5 years, so you can ask them for 8 to 10 years. If your experience is 7 8 years, so you can ask them for 11 to 12 Saudi Riyal. Brother, just explain a little bit about QC inspector responsibility in Neom. Fayaz Ali Shah, I have uploaded a detailed video on this topic, so if you watch that video, so it will be better for you. You will get the full idea. Otherwise, all the inspection, material inspection, test, quality test, witnessing, work inspection, preparation of different documents, WIR, MIR, ITP, like that. These are the responsibilities. Mahmoud Salman, hey, hello. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Said, sir, I'm in India. I have 1 year experience in studying. No, minimum 5 year experience is required for any position in the Neom. So if you have 1 year experience, so it will be better for you to work in your home country and get some experience. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. Smart. Hi sir, I'm structural engineer. Did MS structural engineering. I will in Dubai. What is your job? Dear, if you are graduated, I mean that if you complete your MS in 2021, so you can also apply for the jobs in Neom city on the base of your bachelor. But after bachelor, you should have a experience of 5 years, so inshallah you will get a job. No, there is no vacancy for fresh engineers. Any chance to get job through online portal and other? You can try, but it's hard because a lot of people are here in Saudi Arabia and they are searching jobs. They are going door to door companies, so you can try. It depends on your luck. If you get, it will be better. But it will be better if you come to Saudi Arabia if you have enough experience. I have experience of 12 year in Gulf. So how much I told them? If you have 12 year experience, so you can ask them minimum per 12 to 13 or 14,000 riyal. But don't apply for QAQC inspector. But if you are graduated, if you are not graduated and you are have a 12 year experience with diploma, so you can ask them 10,000. That will be better. If you are graduated, so you can ask 12,000 or 13,000. Sir, what is demanding in Saudi Arabia? Muhammad Salman. Can you explain your question because I didn't get what you want from me. Sir, I'm from Pakistan and planning to come to Gaza. I have 6 month experience in building. No, Usama, minimum 5 year experience. If you have 5 year experience, so you can come to Saudi Arabia. Otherwise, you will face a lot of problem, which we can learn. If you want, you can try for KVKFC engineer, site engineer, try to get NIBOS certificate for safety engineer, and also if you want to join the quality, so get some certification, ISO certification. Also you can try for the planning engineers, but mostly you can try for KVKFC engineer. You are welcome. Which courses learn to get job? About which field? Mahmoud Salman, you are asking about which field? Okay, we were talking about the experience. I am in for site engineer minimum also the 4 to 5 year experience for site engineer, and for planning engineer, structure engineer, QS engineer, everywhere minimum experience required to work in your is 5 years. So civil engineering, ya habibi, you have to mention about quality, about site execution, about QS, about planning, about structure. Civil engineering is a field already you learn all in the subjects. If you want to get some more certifications, so you have to be specific about the field. Then I can answer your question. In Pakistan and Dubai, nobody give job to pressure. So where will get experience? So every pressure face these problems. So you have to also face this problem, and you have to go for free work. Otherwise, there is no another option. In Saudi Arabia, minimum 5 year experience required to work. Although at time of MS admission, last professor told we will guarantee our job in Neom, but now this is they just misguide you. Neom, how they will give the job in Neom? This is ridiculous. The universities are just bring the students for MS, and they are just make lies to them that we will give you a job. This is not possible. How they will give you a job in Neom? Sir, which software skill are mandatory for search engineering? SAP, ETAB and SAP. I think I have no experience in that, but mostly the people are using SAP and ETAB, I think. And also AutoCAD, structural AutoCAD, Revit, all are mandatory. So after the experience, now we will move toward. So I will explain again. For civil inspector with graduation, minimum 5 year experience. For civil QAQC supervisor, minimum 12 year experience required. For QAQC manager, minimum 15 years experience required. But if you are a diploma holder, so 12 years of experience required for a QAQC inspector, and 15 years of experience required for a QAQC supervisor. And for site engineer, QAQC engineer, structure engineer, planning engineer, for all position, minimum 5 year of Gulf experience required to work in Neom city or any other city of Saudi Arabia. Now I will come toward the salary. The salaries for quality department, KVS, planning, structure like that. As compared to other cities of Saudi Arabia, salaries are better in Neom. If you have 5 year experience and you want to work as a QA/QC inspector, so your salary should start from 7 to 10,000. I will give you the ranges so you can ask your companies during the interview. Sir, any option for say 2 year experience? You in Dubai, I have no knowledge about Dubai market, so it will be better if you ask anybody. But in Dubai, you can get the job because if you go there, there are small companies which are working with villas, so maybe you will get the job. It's easy. Although I have done BS engineering in 2016, I know things in my field. And okay, smart say if you done your BS in 2017, so on the basis of your BSc or BSc engineering, you can apply for a job. So it will be better and a better option for you to come on a visa. Inshallah, you will get a job. So and the one thing I will tell you here, anybody want to come here on Azad visa, so he will face a lot of problem in the start, but inshallah after 1 2 3 months he will get a job. And how you to make CV, prepare CV. If you are a fresh in Saudi Arabia, I upload a video on this topic that is very important for fresh engineer in Saudi Arabia. Fresh mean fresh in Saudi Arabia, not freshly graduate. So apply that video on your CV, inshallah you will get a job. And how to search job, how to make your LinkedIn profile. Also I maximum I uploaded videos on all the important topics about Saudi Arabia, so you can watch that video. Zakaria Baja official. Sir, please help me. Zakaria, I already help you, so you need how can I help you? So I will try for that. Assalamu alaikum. Still have QAQC vacancy in Neom. A lot of vacancies are there. Your contact are very useful. Thanks. You can contact me through Instagram. Okay. So salaries per KVK inspector in Neom cities are per 5 year experience. People are from 7 to 10,000. More if you have more than experience more than 5 years, so you can ask for 10 to 12,000. Per QA/QC and supervisor, your salary should be from 11 to 13 to 14,000 real. And per QA/QC manager, your salary should be from 15 to 20,000 real. For site engineer, if you have 5 year experience, so your salary should be from 6 to 8,000 real. And if you have more than 5 year experience, so your salary should be from maximum 10,000 real. For planning engineer, the same thing. KVS engineer also the same. Your salary expectation should be from 6 to 10,000 real if your experience is 5 or more than 5 years. Okay, your content are very useful. Thank you are welcome. Thanks sir, you are always supportive. You're welcome. Osama, sir, I'm planning to come on open visa, BSc and 2 year experience. I'm not particularly targeting Neom only. Can I secure a job? It's why I am telling about Neom, because the job market in Neom is good as compared to other cities of Saudi Arabia, Osama Bangash. But if you planned and you want to come, so okay, you can try your luck, but prepare yourself. So inshallah you will get a job because the rizq is from Allah. Here I meet a lot of people, they are freshly graduate and they also get a job, but they face They face a lot of problems first, so you should be ready for these things. If I came on Azad visa and having 3 year mechanical engineer, start engineer at construction company, will I get 5K? Mostly yes, you can. If you get the job with a 3 year experience, so your salary should be from 3 to 5K real. But it depends how you will get the job. This is difficult. Dear sir, I meet with the Kaleem last week and he said Sir Saifullah is now Rabab and he decided to move Saudi Arabia. If market is good, then do something for me as well. Inshallah, dear Zakaria, if I get anything related to your field, so I will inform you. Inshallah, don't worry. But focus on your job now in Dubai. Shaizullah, how a fresh engineer get a job in a subcontracting company and should be the salary expectation? If you want to work with a subcontractor, so you should be ready for late salary. Sometimes they will not give you the salary, and minimum you can ask for 3 to 5,000 reals. Shaheen Khan, nearest city of Neom, where family can stay. Dubba, Sharma, Albida, and Tabuk. Tabuk is far away, but some people keep their families in Tabuk. But Dubba, Sharma, and Albida is a good option. Samir Kilian, I have paper experience, zero gulp knowledge. I need to do course for the particular field. In which field you are graduated? Post job vacancy. Dear, if you follow me on LinkedIn, daily I am posting a lot of vacancies on LinkedIn, so it will be better for you to follow me on LinkedIn and get the jobs vacancies from my LinkedIn profile. Sergi, adjust me in your field. If you have any reference, I just need money. Okay, I will adjust you as my assistant. Don't worry, Zakaria. Dear Zakaria is my classmate, so that's why he is commenting like this. But he is a good guy and he is on the job in Dubai. Smart. If someone did civil engineering from Europe to university, can he get job? No, it depends on the nationality. If you get your graduation from Europe, but you are a Pakistani nationality, so the same thing, they will apply because they never ask the nationality at the universities and the vacancies are advertisement. They just ask experience and graduation in the job advertisement. Civil, if you want to work in a quality, so go for ISO certification. If you want to in construction, so you can go for construction management, PMP, RMP like that. Sami Kiliani, I followed you on LinkedIn. Please accept my request there. Okay, send me a message on LinkedIn. I will accept your request. कब दी शुबिली सैलरी पर के उस इंजीनियर कैसे विद वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस for working experience and salary per QC engineer is around about 10 to 12,000 riyal. Manana Sarji, and soon inshallah I will be there to perform Umrah. I will meet you inshallah in Saudi Arabia. Inshallah. Hi bro, I am from India. I have site engineer experience and 4.5. How to apply for job? If you want to work in Saudi Arabia, so two options. Come here on Azad visa and find a job for yourself. Second option, go to the recruitment agencies in your country and apply there for the vacancies. What is your LinkedIn ID? Engineer Saifullah Yusufzai is my LinkedIn ID, and also the LinkedIn link is available on the about section of my channel. Okay, dears. So we discussed about the jobs market. After that, we discussed about the salaries. Okay, so I think today live session is enough. And also some people are asking that how to get a job. This is very easy. The best option, if you have 5 year experience minimum, so for the best option for you, come here on Azad visa. But with Azad visa you will face some struggle in the start. If you are ready for facing the struggle, so come on Azad visa, inshallah you will get the job. If your experience is minimum 3 or 4 years, so you can go and ask the recruitment agencies in your country and apply through them with the for the different position as per your qualification. So this is the better option for the people whose experience is less than 5 years. Saifullah sir, Nawaz Khan, the Musar Dior Kamnish Saida Durgia. Said Ali Raza, dear, I am a diploma holder and I cannot be continue my study after that. I have 5 year experience, which so you can apply for civil inspector and supervisor or foreman job with the diploma. And Dubai subcontracting company offer me 380, but I didn't after the job. And now job offers after that. I think 3,000 from subcontractor is better option. But how many year of experience you have? If you have 4 year or 5 year experience, so 3,000 is better option in Dubai. I'm from Pakistan. Okay. If you're from Pakistan, so go and there Lahore, Rawalpindi, Peshawar. A lot of recruitment agencies are there, so you can ask them for visas, agreement visas for different companies. And you can also search in Express newspaper. They are advertising the different vacancies for Saudi Arabia and Dubai and other Gulf countries in that newspaper daily. Salary for QC engineer. I already told you, dear, salary per QC engineer or 10 year experience should be from 10 to 14,000 riyals. It depends on the company, but 10 to 14,000 riyal you can expect. Aspire, thank you, brother. You are welcome. Sir, what is most demanding software? It depends on the. If you want to work in planning department, so go for Primera, and you should be good in the Excel. If you want to work in the QS, so also go for Excel, and there are also some specific software for that. Sami Kiliani, sir, I also message you on Instagram. Please reply. Dear, in this site, I am so busy. You know, we didn't get our Eid vacation. We are working also in the Eid days. That's why I'm not uploading the videos daily on the daily basis. But inshallah, whenever I get the time, I'll start to upload videos on daily basis, and will share videos about the Neom city and work in the Neom. And I will respond to all messages on LinkedIn, not on LinkedIn, on only on the Instagram, because on LinkedIn I have more than 1,000 messages. So that's not possible for me to respond. Dear, it is possible to get final approval for QC cell for Neom. No, it's depend upon your company. You can also get an approval online, because they will arrange an online interview for you. When you pass the interview, so they will give the approval. No, it's possible online and also physical, but it depends upon your company. In Pakistan, every engineer become property dealer, no job market. Yes, that's why there is a problem for Pakistan, for engineering in Pakistan. But you should try. Go to the uh, Islamabad, Lahore, Bahria town, so maybe you will get some job opportunities there. Sir, what is your Instagram? My Instagram ID is Saifullah Yusufzai. Also, the link is available in the about section. Yes, sir, please. Yes, I will reply. So, okay, guys, now it's time for our dinner. Inshallah, we'll meet you on the next live session. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I will respond to your messages, your comments very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly share my YouTube channel with your needy friends and subscribe if you are new here. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.